want to become the world leader in sustainable transport solutions.
You have achieved, the companies have achieved, over 100 million metric tons of CO2 reductions.
The importance of coming to member events, first of all, is getting the perspective of the member, their dealers, and their customers to really see how the industry works.
When you're a little boy and you win your first race, that's a massive achievement.
Yeah, we've been taking the opportunity to have our annual dealer meeting here in conjunction with the events that we have with the Volvo Ocean Race in Miami.
It gives us a unique opportunity to spend time with Volvo, to spend time with customers, to help customers understand the scope of really who Volvo are and what the Volvo Group represents.
We've learned to work as a team to help advise Volvo into reaching these higher elevations and to get in the front of the race, so to speak.
It is really, really fast on board.
It's an opportunity for us to get the big customers together. They're not necessarily interested in sailing, but I think when they see what we do here, they are.
Volvo has taken fuel efficiency as one of the key points in the sustainability.
We all live on this planet, and our children, our grandchildren, we're all going to live here, and we need to make it as good as possible. And I'm really impressed with any company that cares about that.
Equipment that's more efficient and represents a greater sense of responsibility by the manufacturers in their care and understanding of the environment and how to treat the environment.